So this is the three-phase lab. These are all these stations. There are 16 stations. Each station has a main disconnect switch, which we're going to use to lock out using a hasp. We have a disconnect switch here as well, but a door-mounted disconnect switch. We have an across-the-line starter with a 3-position selector, off, manual, and auto. A reset push button to reset the OL. We have what I call the project box here. We'll be doing the Y delta in here. The relays will go in there as well. Timers whenever needed. This is our remote station, so stop, start, jog, e-stop, lights. On the bottom left corner here, we have a reversing starter. So in the reversing starter, we have a forward and reverse contactor. As you can see, everything's wired up. All the components are wired up to terminals. If we would need, let's say, a coil for one of the contactors, then we would look either on the plan or look at the actual numbers going to the coil. In this case here, 13 and 14, which would be our A1 and A2. And we tap off of 13, 14 on the terminal block on the right. The terminal block on the left is where the 3 lines would go in. So the 3 lines would go into L1, L2, L3. And T1, T2, T3 would go to our motor right here. There's our motor, and the leads go to this terminal block here. The reason there's 6 wires at the very bottom here is that we'll eventually do Y delta, and we'll have to separate them and use all 6 of these terminals. Also on this ABB backplate, we have a soft starter and a drive.